Hey guys, I'm showing you this Crave USA iPhone 12 mini case. This is a dual protective case and you can see this is the blue on the top and then the diamond design inside. It's a two-piece one is the silicone and other is this hard one. So the silicone piece, this is my iPhone 12 mini and I'm just putting it inside this silicone case first. So see in the corner and everything fits well, all these corners from the camera side. And now I'm putting the hard shell. So after the hard shell, this make it more protective on the side. No issue with any use or volume button or any other thing. This is from the side and the bottom. I'm just showing the charging, so no charging issue with the cable. The charging is started. This is the MagSafe accessory and you can see the Wi-Fi charging not hindering with this case. So it's sticking well as a magnet and the charging is going on well with the case. So basically the case is not hindering anyways in the charging, and all the corners and the side for the camera and all protective and is working fine. So it's a nice fit for iPhone 12 mini, the Crave USA case.